getting chills. I almost cried 3 times. I was like, is this a dream? And I'm just excited about the theme of this year, Ignite Our Power. Do you see the power in this space? Do you see it?
Hello, Haitian ladies.
It has broken all the glass ceilings and slaved all the boys' rooms. So we're going to have a great conversation. Welcome, Dominique. Award-winning indie rock multi-instrumentalist rock star by the name of Régine Chassagne.
I don't want to just pretend and just be a face of something for a week and then another face of something else for a week. No. It's going to be Haiti. It's going to be all Haiti.
We need to support vulnerable, underserved communities with strong women.
Hallelujah.